What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Fresh D back at it again. So before we get into this cleaning video today, remember we are giving away 12 pairs of Yeezys this year, so that's one a month. We got the Willow Yeezys back here that has all your price selections on it. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. There's also going to be a link on how you enter. Make sure you turn on that notification bell to know when we drop new content. Leave us some feedback and some thumbs up down below. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So what we got for you guys today is something a little special. We have these suicidal tendency Vans from 2010. So these are pretty trashed. Definitely this liner is really dirty, so we're gonna use the laundry kit to tackle that. So what we're gonna be using today is our XL kit, only because this is a 13, so we need the bigger shoe trees. We're gonna use 2 additional brushes, our soft and our stiff bristle brush for the liner and the midsole. And then also, like always, our detergent, because we are gonna be throwing these in the wash. So first thing we're gonna do to get into this, adjust our shoe trees. Like I said, this is a size 13. So you're probably gonna need to go about the 5th hole on here. So we are gonna be cleaning the right shoe since the laces are missing. I don't know what happened to them. Could have swore it did come with the laces. So adjust this, insert your shoe tree, snap that bad boy, put this one to the side. And now the next thing we're gonna do is pour some of our trusty solution into our bowl over here. Little spillage, but a few small squirts. So now that we got the solution poured in there, we're gonna start with this cleaning. We're gonna use our soft brush. Now, before Johnny starts getting these B-roll close-up shots, I've been reading the comment section. I see you guys clowning on my fingernail. So I did smash my finger. My nail did break off and it is growing back. So take it easy in those comments, man. So now let's get into this cleaning. So now we're gonna use this soft brush to start cleaning these uppers. This is a suede, so you do wanna be careful with it, but feel free to get in there, get it all sudsed up. Before we move on to this next section, as you guys can see, there is a screen printed graphic on this canvas material. One thing you may notice when you wash is this may lighten up a little bit, but I'm not entirely too sure since this is a 2010 pair how that's gonna work out, but we'll see what they look like once we get them out of the wash. So now that we finished up with the soft bristle brush, I want to use the all-purpose brush, the new all-purpose brush, to go back over this print a little bit. Just remember to be gentle, but I also want to use it to attack this liner because this liner is filthy. So the material is definitely safe enough that we can use it. So I want to go ahead, like I said, go over the print again with it because it is a little dingy, and then tackle that liner. So let's move on to our all-purpose, brand new, improved here we go. A brand new improved all-purpose brush. So like I said, we're gonna go over this print a little bit. Just make sure to be gentle. You don't gotta put a lot of pressure. So with these Sk8-Hi's, as you've seen what I was doing a little bit earlier, I'm supporting the ankle section with my hand just to be able to put more pressure on it while I'm cleaning it so we can try to attack them stains a little better. So now that we about finished up with the liner, we're gonna move on to our stiff bristle brush, which I previously grabbed earlier. Tackle these midsoles, clean up the outsole a little bit. As you can see, it's not really that dirty, despite the shoes being trash. So really just want to clean up these midsoles. The one thing I will say is any vulcanized midsole, like Vans, this, for whatever reason, can't seem to keep clean. But for video purposes, we're definitely going to clean them up for you guys, try to get these back to DS looking as possible. So let's grab our stiff bristle brush, dip it in our all-important solution water mixture, tack these midsoles. Before I go any further, just want to kind of point something out also. Another issue with vulcanized soles is the glue will start to change colors. You can kind of see it on this one, the glue's turning a little red. It's been known to do that. It'll either turn red or like a yellow shade. So not to say that it's anything from the solution or any of the products, that's just the glue and the age.
Thank you, Daniel.
That's what I'm here for. So another thing to point out, as you can see right here, the rubber is coming off a little bit, so just keep that in mind when you're looking at the B-roll after shots. So now that we're about finished up with our pre-treat, just give it one more glance over to make sure we're good.
You can use that towel at any point?
Yeah, Bubbles, I'm gonna use a towel. God. Just for you, Johnny, just for you. Actually came out pretty good. Despite the glue, like I said, the discoloration, the little missing chunk there, should be pretty good. So now, like I said, we finished with the pre-treat. Now it's time to throw these in the laundry. Bubbles, bag. Appreciate it. So you're gonna wanna put these, since these are an XL, if you did buy the XL kit, it's gonna come with 2 separate bags. Because the shoes are so big, you can only fit one in a bag, so that's why it comes with 2. If you have a regular one, people often ask also, can you put 2 shoes in one bag? Yes, the regular sized ones, you can put 2 shoes in one bag. But for comparison purposes, we usually only do 1 on camera. And let's head to the wash. So now that we got the shoes, we're gonna put them in the wash. So somebody left their crap in here. So you wanna take the shoes. A wash is already set up, but you wanna turn it on. Drop the shoes in there, adjust your settings. Since it is only 1 shoe, small load, always cold water, regular spin cycle. We're gonna grab some of our trusty Rejuvenator laundry detergent. This bad boy is almost out. So you wanna squeeze an ounce, then pour it away in there. Close the wash. Then you wanna set it and forget it. Boom. What's going on, guys? So we're back. We did let the shoes dry overnight. As you can see, outfit change. So these did wash up pretty good. One thing I will point out is on the suede, you can see because these are from 2010, there's a lot of wear from the laces and stuff, but I think we can fix that up with some almighty mink oil. So we're gonna go ahead and spray that, see if we can darken these spots up a little bit. So let's go do that really quick. So we went ahead and sprayed these with the mink oil. As you can see, it did bring some of that color back, but just because of the age and the wear, you're still gonna see some lace marks and stuff right here on the suede. So I know I said these didn't have any laces earlier, but Vic was generous enough to donate some for us. So let's go ahead and lace these bad boys up. All right, guys, we finished lacing these up, as you can see. So they came out pretty good. Hit it with the mink oil, of course, like we said, to bring that back. So we went ahead and cleaned these up today using our XL kit, because like we said, these are a larger shoe, so you needed them larger shoe trees. We went ahead and hit it up with the soft bristle brush, got the uppers, hit the all-purpose brush, went back over the graphic and the mesh and the liner. As you can see, this is bright white again. We used our stiff bristle brush, hit that midsole, hit the outsole, and our all-important sneaker laundry detergent to get these clean. It's definitely important, guys. If you don't have some, go ahead and get some. So that's gonna wrap it up. Leave us some feedback down in the comments section. Give us that nice old thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell to know when we're gonna drop new content. Don't forget about the Yeezy giveaway. It's 12 pairs throughout the entire year, one a month. January is almost up, guys, so you have a few days left to enter. The link for that is gonna be down below. We're gonna spin our glamorous wheel to see what the prize is gonna be soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It's gonna be Fresh D wrapping up, guys, signing off. Till next time.